In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure email in Freshsales. Configuring your email in Freshsales is an important setup step because it lets you send and receive messages from inside the CRM, and it keeps your communication history tied to the right contacts and deals. In this walkthrough, we will connect a Gmail account and enable syncing so your email activity stays up to date. Start by signing in to your Freshsales account and looking at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture or a small profile icon. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the options in that menu, select Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales keeps your individual preferences, including email connection options. Once you are in Personal Settings, find the area for email. Depending on your Freshsales layout, it may be labeled Connect Your Email, or it may appear as Email Settings. Click that tab to begin the email configuration process. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the settings list, since the exact placement can vary slightly. Next, you will choose your email provider. For this setup, click the Gmail button. This tells Freshsales you want to connect through Google Authentication, which is typically the fastest and most secure way to link your inbox. After selecting Gmail, you will be prompted to authenticate with Google. Choose the Google account you want to connect, then follow the on-screen prompts. During this part, Google will ask you to grant Freshsales permission to access your email. Read the permission screen carefully, then approve it to continue. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, make sure you pick the one you use for work so Freshsales logs emails from the correct inbox. Once authentication is complete, you will set your sync preferences. Choose two-way sync. This option syncs both sent and received emails, which helps keep a complete record of your conversations inside Freshsales. After you select two-way sync, your configuration is complete and your email connection is ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.